Everybody hurry up! Let's get up to the lifeboat! Come on! Come on! Sam! Are you sure you saw Whitney jump off the boat? I'm positive, TC.
Oh, it's so dark, and the water is so treacherous because of the storm. We have to find her, TC.
Sweetheart, Whitney's good swimmer. I'm sure she's back on the shore waiting for us.
I hope Chad is a good swimmer. He shouldn't even be out of the hospital. Simone, don't worry about Chad. He's gonna be fine. He's a survivor, okay? Let's get on the lifeboat.
Who's missing?
Whitney! Oh my God, Whitney's gonna be all right.
Listen, you guys go ahead. I'm gonna check one more time.
Teresa, we have to go.
Ethan, I'd be willing to die if I could die in your arms with our lips sealed together.
Teresa.
If fate didn't mean for us to live together, then let us die together. Kiss me, Ethan. Ethan!
What in the hell is going on here? What? Why are you looking at each other like that?
Tell her you love me.
Gwen, thank God you're all right. Look, we have to get off this boat.
No, Ethan, no! I want to know right now. Was I right that whole time about Teresa? All those months I was convinced she was after you. I was right, wasn't I? God, I knew it! I knew it! God, I was such a fool to leave you alone with this scheming little witch!
Look, Gwen, look, we can discuss this later. Look, we have to get off this boat.
No, I want to know right now, yes or no.
Guys, what the hell are you doing? The last lifeboat just left. You're gonna have to swim for it. We gotta get off this boat right now. Let's go.